Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family salmon egg rolls. I'm frying salmon oil and I'm using my air fryer. Now you decide which one you'd like to try. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I must pause right here to say hello to my people, to my members. God bless you. I appreciate you here today. To my returning subscribers, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Join the membership. Be sure to hit the notification bell when you join. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and thank you in advance. If you'd like to donate to this channel, please check out one of the links in the description box below. There is a PayPal link, Patreon link, my post office box, our merch store, and our Amazon store. Please join our membership. God bless you and continue watching. Which one would you prefer? Comment down below. God bless you. Which one would you prefer? Comment down below. God bless you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, my name is Melda, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to tap the bell, select all, so that you'll be notified of every video that I upload. And if you're just subscribed, welcome to our family. Thank you for watching. I love each and every one of you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.